Hello everyone, my name is Sudi Grandjean. I'm the author of Just Because I'm Black, and I am an award-winning author because of your vote from the social medias. And now I'm asking you to vote for Kamala Harris in this election, to turn out the vote in favor of Kamala Harris against Trump. According to the report of the USCIS, there are about 1 million of Haitian and American, including Haitian descent, who are legally registered to vote in the US. So therefore, I'm addressing you, the 1 million voters, Haitian voters, to vote against Trump, to vote for Kamala Harris. Don't forget what Trump has said about Haiti and Haitians, using fake rumors, xenophobic propaganda, conspiracy theories, and so on. Trump said Haiti is a blank country. I don't want to use the word that he said, the bad word that he said. And then Trump said also Haitian immigrants coming to the US are bringing the AIDS in the US. And then lastly, in the last debate, Trump said the Haitian immigrants from Springfield, Ohio, they are eating the dogs and other pets of the people in the neighborhood. So therefore, we must stop Trump. Trump must be accountable for his behavior. And not only this, but he has to pay for the crimes that he committed, since he has legal issues going on. So therefore, I rely upon you to vote for Kamala Harris in this election, to turn out the vote in favor of Kamala Harris. Thank you for voting. God bless you all, and God bless America. That's a privilege to be able to vote. Use the power to vote. Amen.